In most cases, people receive funds on Binance, but they don't know that the funds are there, or they don't see the balance change. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to actually locate your funds, and also how to go ahead and provide the necessary info that Binance requires in order for you to actually get access to those funds, so that Binance can release the funds, right? So now I've got funds that came in here. And just when I came, I went to home right there. Just when I came onto my Binance, then I saw this pop up about the deposit order that's currently pending credit. Okay, and then they tell you, they say, please go to the transaction history page to fill in the supplementary information so that it can be credited to your account. Okay, so sometimes people just rush and they think maybe something went wrong, but you have to, you see that they showed me this pop-up here. And the other way is also through your email. Okay, they'll also send you an email here saying this information required, Binance deposit information required, USDT pending, and they are telling you you've got a deposit coming through, but you need to provide some info. Okay, so you can see here they're telling you exactly how much has been deposited into your Binance account, and then please log in and provide additional information for the funds to be released. And then you just have to hit visit your dashboard and it'll take you there. Okay, so all the information is there, guys. You just need to basically read and then follow instructions. That's it. Okay, and then coming back here, and let me just say, see, they say start now, but let me just show you. I'm just going to cancel that. If we go to assets, you don't see, it's USDT that came in, right? You saw it's 43 USDT, but we don't see it here. Okay, we don't see it. But if you look carefully, they're showing you crypto deposit 43 USDT information required. So you see there's different ways for you to actually access your history page. You see, now they also telling you here. So all you do is tap on info required. You see, so this is basically it's the kind of the history, and this is where you will you just need to provide info. You see, they're telling you 43 information required. So in order to comply with regulatory requirements, please provide sender information so that the transfer can be processed. So we're just going to hit provide info, and then on here they're asking you, who are you receiving this deposit from? I'm going to say myself. Or you're receiving the funds from another originator, so I'm just going to say myself. Next, and then the address owner's self-hosted wallet. I sent this from my trust wallet, so yes. And I declare then that the information I provide, yes. I'm just going to hit yes there. Obviously, if you sent it from Bybit or from OKX or Mexi, you just maybe select this one. A wallet hosted by a virtual asset service provider or exchange. You just select that one. But I sent it, it's myself that sent it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and declare and hit submit. So address confirmation submitted. Your address confirmation has been submitted. Please wait whilst we review your submission. Do not make another deposit into the review until the review is complete, as it may result in a failed transaction. So yeah, that's it, guys. So after this, the funds will then appear. Okay, now what I will show you is, okay, you see now USDT deposit successful. So let me go back to assets, and then I'm going to refresh, just pull down my screen, and then you see USDT is now showing right here. My USDT is here now. So what if I want to then go ahead and sell this USDT and then withdraw to my bank account, right? To maybe withdraw it for ZAR and then withdraw to my bank account. So what you do then is you can either hit trade there or trade here. Okay, so let's just say trade there. You see they're showing me convert, spot, P2P. So we're just going to do convert. By default, it'll bring you here. So we are converting USDT to ZAR. Okay, we're going to say ZAR. If If it's not here, because I mean I recently searched for it, so if you don't see it, just type ZAR there, then it'll come up. Okay, and then now all you do, I want to basically convert all of it. Then I'm going to say max. Okay, it'll tell me it's 707. This will constantly update. It's like refreshing because this is live. It's like live market updates and fluctuations, exchange rates. So I'm just going to say preview, and then yes, I'm happy with this. They give me like 8 seconds, and then confirm, and I'm good to go. So now from here, I want to then go ahead and withdraw to my bank account. So you can see that I've got the funds here. So let me go back to assets, right? And then refresh. So you'll see that now I have ZAR. Okay, now I want to withdraw to my bank account. Okay, so what I'll do then is I'm gonna go into ZAR, and then you see where they say send. Okay, I'm gonna say send. So they say select a withdrawal method. Now I have already linked the you basically have to link your account here. Okay, and you see there's two options here. There's the linked payments, which is instant. Okay, obviously there's a 20 Rand fee, or 1 to 3 business days. Okay, but it's instant, and then there's also this bank transfer. So mine is already on instant, so I'm just going to say continue. You see, this is the card that I linked. If you don't know how to link your account number, there is a video that I made showing you how to basically, deposit ZAR into Binance, and also how to link your bank account, on Binance. So just look out for that video. But because I've already linked mine, I'm just going to go ahead. And also, if you haven't linked it, right, it will prompt you to link. Okay, so you don't have to try and figure it out, because if you haven't linked anything, so obviously you can't withdraw your funds. So it will prompt you also to say you need to link your bank account. So I've already linked mine. Now I'm just going to say continue, and then here you see there's withdraw max, or I can say 500. Okay, but I'm going to withdraw max, so I'm just going to say withdraw max. Preview order. So again, because this is going to be like a fast withdrawal, there's a 20 Rand fee payable. Okay, and they showed us this as well on the other, the previous screen. So this is what I'm going to receive. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then I'm going to say preview order. They're showing you again indicated amount, but because of the 20 Rand fee, I'm going to receive this amount, 687 Rand. Okay, and yeah, I'm happy with this, you guys. I'm just going to say confirm. Passkey. And yeah, withdrawal order submitted, withdrawal request submitted, view details to check your order status. I can just go to details. Okay, and it's processing. Okay, and then from here it will be, look, fiat withdrawal successful, you've successfully withdrawn 707. So if I refresh here, it should then change to completed, but it's basically done, guys, as you have seen. Okay, so let's just say, so now you see it's successful. All right, so from here it will then come to my bank account, and that's it, guys. It's as easy as that. This is how you withdraw. This is how you convert your USDT or any other crypto to ZAR, and also this is how you withdraw that ZAR to your bank account. All right, hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.